Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can register to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So hello, I'm Mrs. M. And today I am going to talk to you about the number one thing I think is very, very important is your goals. I know you've probably heard it a million times. But I cannot emphasize enough that if you're really looking at getting serious this year, as opposed to last year, what you can do starting off the new year is to set your goals. And not just any goals, but what I like to call SMART goals, which are SMART. And every one of them stand for something. So the S stands for specific. I want to have 2 new contracts. That's specific. I want to make $50,000 a year. That's specific. I want to reach $100,000 a year. So you get the point. The next is M, which stands for measuring. You measure where you are now, and then you measure where you want to be. So you have to have a device for measuring where you are right now in this moment. The next thing is to make sure that it is obtainable. So let's say you've only made $10,000 for the year and you're looking to make $1 million. That may not be obtainable. And so what happens is you may just zonk out and not even pay attention to it because you already know that that's probably not something I can do in that time frame. So make sure it's something that's obtainable. If you're already at 50,000, you can double to get to 100,000. So you can get double and get beyond that, or at least do 50% of that. So make sure it is obtainable. The next is R for relevant. Why? Why do you want to get to 50,000, 100,000? Remember, I always talk about making sure you have your big fat why. Why do you want to do this? It's really important if you figure out why. And then the last thing is T for time bound. You have to have a time frame. No one wants to not have clarity. I'm quite sure if you're looking at this channel, you are taking the time to do all of this because it matters to you and you want to have something that's specific with clarity. So write down your SMART goals. That's right. Go ahead, right at this moment, pause the video. I am going to be your accountability partner for this particular video. So pause the video, and then I want you to do it right then. The chances of obtaining success in anything is implementing it immediately. So take the time to write down your SMART goals. Do not put it off. So if you really want to get to 6 figures in a year, then there's no better time to start than the beginning of the year, because at the end of the year, it's easy to see where you were and where you're trying to go. So implement those SMART goals now. And I am so excited. If you want to learn what I did to actually scale 3 cleaning businesses, and one with this was within the last year, to well over 6 figures and beyond, then make sure you click to register for my masterclass. It's the blueprint, the exact blueprint that I use to scale all 3 of my businesses to 6 figures, boom, and beyond. I'm so excited. It's live. We've implemented a lot of new things this year because things change. So as you have to learn new strategies for gaining traffic, which I'm all about making sure you attract the customers that you're interested in, your right cleaning customers, the exact customers you want to do the work for, that you're excited about. Then you want to make sure that you're not just willy-nilly doing all of these walkthroughs, but that you're actually going to get them to call you or email you some type of action so that you're walking through, and guess what? They're signing the contracts. They cannot wait to sign the contracts before you even leave out. And then the last thing is making sure that you can keep the accounts. Makes no sense to attract them, to get them to sign a contract, and within a month, you've lost the contract. No. So you want to make sure that you sign up for my live masterclass. It's about 80 minutes. We do a Q&A. We have a lot of fun. I am an energy person. I believe where attention goes, energy flows. So if you pay attention to your business, you'll be surprised how you see those sudden changes. Trust me, it does happen. Little by little, consistency is the key. So if you're interested, click the link, make sure you register. I'd love to see you there. And until next time, be safe. This is Mrs. M. Bye-bye.